My cheeks hurt from laughing.
Same, it's so funny. Like, I can't believe I'm actually seeing this.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about getting one for a while. I've got this really cute little dress on. Put my sunnies on. Not really that sunny, but it's a look, innit? Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. As you can see, I'm now at home. I'm currently in the car. I'm back from my holiday. Tonight I'm going into London because the team over at Disney have very kindly invited me to go and see Aladdin at the theatre tonight. I'm so excited. I'm bringing Alice with me because I know how much she loves Disney. So I'm going to go and meet her at Leicester Square this evening, and then we're going to head to the theatre together.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude.
So guys, I'm now here, I'm in London. I'm with these two.
Hello.
It's Becca and Alice. This lighting is not cute, but anyway, we're in Pizza Express, we're waiting for our food. Pushing it the time a little bit, but we've got our tickets for tonight, we are all ready. It's coming, it's coming. I'm starving, I'm so hungry. Here she is, Caesar salad. We've got a little pesto pasta and a pizza with an egg, as always. Becca loves an egg on a pizza. So guys, after a lot of stress, we're finally here, we're in our seats, we're sat down, we're ready for the show, we're ready for Aladdin. Alice, are you ready for a magical carpet ride?
I am so ready for a magical carpet ride.
Look who's behind us! There's Jade and Nat! Buzzing. New world, and there she says Good, nice one. Currently the interval. How good is it, Alice?
It's so good. My cheeks hurt from laughing.
Same, it's so funny. If you come and see this, the genie, oh my god, he's hilarious. He's literally like if Gemma Collins was a genie.
Oh my god, he is.
Isn't he?
Yeah.
He's so funny. Me and Alice are literally cracking up. It's so like colourful and like
yeah,
the costumes
so glittery.
are amazing. So I'd highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Come along if you get the chance to. We've still got a whole nother half to go,
I can't
Alice.
wait. My cheeks genuinely really hurt.
So every time the genie comes on, I'm like, yes mate, come on, like crack me up. So guys, we have just come out of Aladdin. It was so good. My favourite bit was the magic carpet.
That was so magical.
A whole new world, wasn't it? Like I was literally looking at it, I was like, I can't believe I'm actually seeing this.
Yeah.
It's unreal. So thank you very much to Disney for bringing us along tonight. We had such a good time. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below where you guys can go and get tickets to come and see Aladdin. I would highly recommend it. What would you rate it out of 10, Alice?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
sure.
same, definitely. It was so good. Anyway, Alice is going to head back up north now. You've got a long train, haven't you?
I do. My train's going to be a long haul while I'm getting back at 1 AM.
Mate, I'm going to be asleep long before then. I'll see you soon though. We're going to plan some summer adventures.
We're going to go to Brighton.
Hello everyone, me again. So I've got up this morning and had a shower, washed my hair, etc, done my makeup, got all ready for the day. I used a new makeup product today, so I thought I'd share. This is the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Setting Spray. I actually bought not long ago the iconic Prep Set and Glow Spray, and L'Oreal very kindly sent me this, so kind of wishing I hadn't bought this one now, I'm not gonna lie, although I do love it. I need to put a little bit of lipstick on, and then today I am heading into Chelmsford as per usual. I'm gonna go out for lunch because I'm really hungry. All I've eaten today is a banana, so I'm gonna head out and grab something to eat, and I'm also gonna go to Primark and Boots because Fenty is now in Boots, and I'm so excited about that. I've wanted the Fenty lip gloss for ages, but I've always been a bit like, shall I get it, shall I not? And now it's literally about 10 minutes away from my house, so I think that's a sign. I watched this video the other day, right, which was like a motivational video, because if you watched my previous Q&A, you might know that I've been feeling a little bit under the weather recently. However, I filmed that video when I was on holiday, and since I've got back from holiday, I feel so much more motivated. I feel more ready to like work and stuff. But anyway, I was watching this video and the man said that it's really helpful to write yourself 5 goals every day, even if they're just little ones. It just helps to get things done. I usually write a list for the week, but then I end up leaving everything until like Saturday and Sunday. So I've been doing my 5 goals. I haven't achieved all 5 every day, so I've reduced to 3/4 for now, but it's going well so far. It's currently Wednesday and I've actually got quite a lot done this week, but first things first, I need some food. I think I'm gonna go to Five Guys because I'm just fancying a burger. I've not had a Five Guys for ages. The last time I had Five Guys was in Leeds. That was like last summer, I think. That is too long to go without a Five Guys. Currently in B&M Bargains, and I'm just sat in this egg chair because we've been thinking about getting one for a while. This is the one we like. It's £150. I think that's really cheap. Do you? It's really comfy. I think we should get one for the summer. You can sit there and read, or that's it really, that's all you can do with it. I forgot to update you guys, but we're now in Five Guys. The drink that I've gone for is the raspberry lemonade out of these like machine things. Anyone who knows Five Guys knows that you can have like pretty much any flavour of any drink. So you can have like raspberry coke or whatever you want. I've got the raspberry lemonade and it tastes like pink gin but without the gin. I know that sounds stupid, so it just tastes like pink. No, it's really nice though. We've both gone for a double cheeseburger and fries. Delicious. This is your first time at Five Guys, isn't it?
It is.
Do you like it?
Really nice, it's lovely.
So nice. I've just got home from Chelmsford and I actually picked up this mirror. So this was from B&M Bargains. It was £19.99 and it's basically like a longer version of this mirror that I have on my wall here. I've wanted to make it longer for a while, to be honest, because this one is a little bit too high up, and this sounds like such a first world problem, I'm aware, but I use this mirror to check my hair. In this mirror, can you see? Like, I can see the back of my head, do you know what I mean? But now that my hair's grown, I can't see the bottom of my hair. Oh my god. I can't even believe what I'm saying. Anyway, I've wanted to replace it with a longer one for a while because there's just all that wall space and I thought, why not, you know, make my life easier. So I've got this one instead. I'm going to try and change it over now. Wish me luck. I'm stuck. I've got one in the hole. I can't get the other one in. I think I'll ask for some help later. I tried. Good morning everyone. So it's the next day now. Today is Thursday and I'm heading into London this morning. I got up bright and breezy this morning. Bright and breezy, is that a saying? Bright and early, same old, same old. I got up, I got ready. I'm getting better at getting up early because I'm setting an alarm for 8:30 every day. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I find that if I don't set an alarm, I'll wake up, I'll sit in bed, I'll do some editing in bed and I won't get out of bed till like 11:30, which is really bad. So I've been setting an alarm for 8:30, which I know to some people is probably still like a lay-in, but for me, that's quite early. 8:30 is my alarm. By 9 o'clock I have to be out of bed and up. I have a cup of tea between 8:30 and 9. And by 9:30 I've got to be sat downstairs working. So that's been my schedule this week and it's actually been really working. But today, it is currently 9:20 and I'm about to head off into London because I've got a little catch up with my manager today. We like to have a little coffee every now and again, and not only because she's my manager and it's good to like talk about what's happened, what's coming up and things like that. She's also a really good friend of mine, so we like to catch up on each other's lives. Anyway, I'm going to go and do that this morning and then come back and get my 3 goals of the day done. This is today's very simple outfit. My top is from Pretty Little Thing. My jeans are from Primark. I've only got one shoe on because I'm running late. My belt is from ASOS. I wear it all the time. And my bag is just this little one from Louis Vuitton. Let's go. Nice simple outfit. It's a nice day outside. I'm ready to sit on the train with my earphones on and pretend I'm in a movie.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I'm just currently walking to my management's office. It is such a nice day in London today. It's about a 10-minute walk from Oxford Circus. I was just walking down Oxford Street looking at all the buildings in the sun. Everyone's happy, it's warm, I'm having a good day. I'll catch up with you in a little bit when the meeting is finished. Hello. Wow, I look rough because it is the evening now and I'm super tired. I've got a headache, but like I said, it's now the evening and I thought I would show you guys some of the PO box that I arrived home to from my holiday because oh my god, I was like, what the hell? So first up we have L'Oreal and they've sent me their Glow Cherry or Glow Cherie I'm gonna go with. This is their new range. So these are 3 glow enhancing lotions and this is the Shake and Glow setting spray that I told you about earlier on, and these you use under a foundation or on their own or for a bit of highlight. The absolute babes over at Isle of Paradise, you know me, I love a fake tan. They've sent me a tanning applicator mitt and this is their medium glow clear self tanning mousse. And then GWA very kindly sent me some of their new eyelashes from Primark. I actually posted these on my Instagram story, so I'll insert that footage now. Here's a little close-up of the 3 lashes. So these are faux mink lashes. The first are called Sinner, The second are called Lust. I think these are my fave. They are so me. And the final ones are called Saint. These look really easy to wear. Next up from CYO, we have these illuminating jellies. So these are basically like little highlighters for your cheeks, the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, your brow bone, your collarbone, wherever you want. So these are the 3 different colours. You've got a bit of a bronze, you've got a glow, and then you've got a little sparkly gold one. I am going to be glowing with all of these products combined. Saint Tropez was very excited about this one. Da, 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 da. Not only do we have Katie Piper's book, absolutely love that. And then also in this package we have another applicator mitt. I'm not going to be running out of these anytime soon, am I? But I genuinely do use all of them, so I'm always grateful for them. And this is the Saint Tropez Bronzing Water Gel. I've heard really good things about this one as well, so I'm very excited to try that. You are not going to be seeing me pale this summer, I'm telling you. And the final couple of things are from a brand called Joni. So they've sent me a couple of clothing items. I think I've seen Zoe wearing their stuff before. You know, Zoe Saga, Zoella, that little name on YouTube. So the first thing is this Everyday Brunch Club t-shirt. How adorable is that? I think with some black jeans, little black bag, little black Converse. It will just be a cute and casual outfit, won't it? And the other thing that they sent me is this knitted jumper. When I tell you this is the softest thing I've ever felt, I'm gonna love this. I obviously can't really wear it yet because it's like summer now, but when the winter months come in, this is going to be waiting for me in my wardrobe. It is so soft. I want to say a massive thank you to all the brands that very kindly sent me some items to my PO box while I was on holiday. It was like coming home to Christmas. Good morning, everyone. I'm coming at you from my office this morning. I've just made myself some breakfast. I've gone for, well, I say made myself, I've literally just put stuff in a bowl. Mango and passion fruit yogurt with a little bit of cherry and almond granola and 1 banana chopped up. And I am currently converting the videos that we bought in Egypt. So when we went on the excursions, we bought the videos of them because there was like a videographer there all day. So I'm just converting that so I can put it into my vlog. Yeah, that's what my morning looks like. I think I'm gonna go and get my nails done this morning as well because they need doing so badly now. God, they are disgusting. Got my nails done. I went for orange. This is what they look like. To be honest, I don't love them because they looked a really pastel orange in the shop, and then I stepped outside and they are literally neon. It's not really showing up on camera that well, but they are so bright. So I think I might have to change the colour myself. I've got the same gel nails that they use in the salon, so I could do that quite easily, but it's a bit annoying that I've paid for this and now I don't like it. Anyway, today we are heading back to B&M because we're going to go and get that chair that I vlogged in earlier in this vlog. And we wanted to have a look in the garden and see where it would go and stuff and see if it would match our other furniture. And we're going to go back and get it today, so that's the plan. I've got a lot to do today, but I need to have a little break. I've been filming all morning. I feel like I just need to get out of the house, and it's a really nice day as well. My outfit is super simple. I've just got a little vest top on from Primark. My jeans are from Miss Selfridge, and then my sliders, take them off to show you a little close up. I got these from Shoe. They're just plain black Calvin Klein sliders. They're actually from the kids section. They go up to a size 5. They were only £26, so if you're size 5 or under, get them from the kids section. They don't do an adult version. I really like them. I think they look really cool. They're so comfy, proper lightweight as well. Anyway, let's go and get a chair. Woohoo! Exciting Saturdays happening. Oh no, we've just got to where the chair was and it's gone. All of this for nothing. This is an actual disaster. Oh my god though, how comfy does that chair look? Hello everyone. I'm running super late, so I've got to be quick. But today is Sunday. It's quite a nice day. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's really warm. So I'm going to head out and meet my friend Chelsea for lunch. We're going to sit outside in the sun and have a drink. I haven't seen Chelsea for quite a long time because obviously I went on holiday and then Chelsea went on holiday the day I got back. So I haven't seen her for like almost a month now, which is quite long for me and Chelsea. So I'm gonna go and meet her today, have some good food, have a good old catch up. We have a lot to talk about, so I better get cracking and get going because we're probably gonna be out until like 7 o'clock at night knowing us. It's currently 1 PM, but sometimes good catch up just takes a few hours, a few or 6. I've got this really cute little dress on. This is from Boohoo. It was really cheap as well. It's got a little tie at the back. It's super flattering. I'll leave it linked in the description down below. They also have it in black with white polka dots. I think I might get that one too because it's so like cool and comfy. It's just casual, you know. It's a really soft material, but I feel like it makes it look like you've made quite a lot of effort when in reality I've just got a comfy dress on. And I've just put my Converse with it. Please excuse my messy room. It's bed washing day, the day of chaos. Anyway, let's go. Oh my god, my car is boiling. I haven't driven for so long because obviously I've been away. Why am I so zoomed in? Let's whack some tunes on. I'm excited. I'm having a good day. Put my sunnies on. Not really that sunny, but it's a look, innit? It's
my fave song right now.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. You believe it.
Yes, mate. Love a bit of Natty B.
Only you can let it in. No one else today is where your book begins. The rest is still unwritten.
Anyway, I have arrived, my friends. I'm just gonna find a place to park and then I'm gonna go and eat lots of food. I'm very excited. Oh my god, it's well busy. I hate parking so much. Job done. So I'm now out for lunch with Chelsea. Here she is. It's a little bit windy. I feel like it's gonna rain. Me and Chelsea come dressed so different. Chelsea's got a big coat and jeans on and I'm here in this little summery dress. Anyway, I've gone for the club sandwich today. It's got chicken, bit of cheddar cheese, bacon, lettuce, mayo. Oh, I can spot a tomato though, that's defo coming out. And I've got some chips and Chelsea's gone for her usual.
Cheese and bean jacket potato.
You love a cheesy bean, don't you?
I got scared. I was going to try something new, but I got scared.
Yeah, I was like, go on Chelsea, have a panini. She was like, no, what if I don't like it as much as the cheesy bean?
I'll get my cheesy bean jacket.
Right, we're gonna crack on and eat and catch up now. Woo! Hopefully it don't rain because that would really dampen our spirits and our hair. So we've come inside because it started raining outside. Although it looks really sunny out there now, gutted. We've come inside and we've now got dessert. We've both gone for a chocolate Belgian waffle. This looks delish. Alrighty then, so I'm now at home. I've actually been out on quite a long drive this evening, so I'm feeling a bit tired, I'm not gonna lie. I don't usually have to drive for long amounts of time because I don't really have a need to go anywhere far away. But tonight I went for a drive and I just didn't stop, so my legs are hurting, I'm not gonna lie, and I drive an automatic. I'm a pathetic human. But anyway, I'm about to hop in the bath and then I'm going to edit this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what is the best thing that happened to you this week, because I would love to know. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. It always makes my week. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with a couple of exciting videos. Been video planning. I've got some good ones coming for you. Bye.